Hi there and welcome back to another NJS instructional video. In this video I'm going to show you how to install this rear diff lock actuator guard on an Isuzu MU-X and D-Max. Now the intent of this product is to protect the rear diff lock mechanism that is situated on the rear differential of the vehicle. Now why may you need a product like this? Well, say you're doing full driving, a stone kicks up, a piece of timber, whatever it might be, it can actually damage the solenoid actuator on the rear differential. And if that's the case, the rear diff lock may or may not be able to be engaged or disengaged. And a repair like that can be quite expensive. So think of it as a form of cheap insurance. Now, at the time of this video, this product retails for just around $90 as well. And the product itself is made by Ironclad Engineering, and it's a stainless steel product, and you can see that it is very well finished, very well designed product. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to go about installing it. Now the product comes with a set of installation instructions and also 2 washers. Now what you'll also need for this installation is a bit of Diff gel. Now the reason we'll be using Diff gel is because the bracket is made of stainless and where we'll be mounting it is actually steel, and there is a possibility of dissimilar metal corrosion. So the Diff gel will help prevent that. Now here is our rear differential, and here's the solenoid actuator. So there's one here on the side and also one on the top here. So the guard we'll be fitting will help protect both of those key areas. So using a 14mm socket, we're going to remove this bolt here and also the nut over here at the top. So now we've removed the nut and the bolt, and we've just done a quick test fit underneath and confirmed that it's all working okay. So now it's just a matter of time of installing our nut. So that'll go as such on the bracket, and we'll put a bit of Diff gel over here where the guard interacts with the steel, and also with our bolt over here. That'll go like that. Now this will pre-install and allow for about maybe 4 or 5mm gap, so we can slot in or slide in rather that bracket like that. And again, we'll put some Diff gel on both sides of these areas here. And we'll also put a bit of Loctite on our bolt over here. So there you have it. That's how we went about installing the rear diff lock actuator guard for this particular vehicle. I hope you found this video informative. Don't forget to like it, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit that bell notification icon. Thanks for watching.